Okay, here we are. I'm Shane. This is the Boatyard Inc. in Marrero, Louisiana. This is the Baystealth 2460 BSL. Just doing a little walkthrough on the exterior. Real clean boat. Aluminum T-top. Features a Yamaha 250 4-stroke. Low hours, real clean skeg. See, this boat's kept up real well. Quick overview. We've got Yamaha digital electronics, stereo, HDS9 is inside. We've got live well, jump seats, seats are all in pretty good condition. As you can see, it's a clean boat. It's got a nice trolling motor, and we'll drop it in the water, see how she runs.